Most Android users don't know these hidden settings, but in 2026, these Android secrets can completely change your phone experience. Let's unlock 7 secrets Android settings that will boost speed, privacy, and battery life. Setting number 1: Developer option speed booster. Step by step. Open settings, go to About Phone, click Software Information, tap Build number 7 times. Enter your lock screen pin. Go back Developer Options. What to change? Window animation scale 0.5x, transition animation scale 0.5x, animator duration scale 0.5. This instantly makes your phone feel faster and smoother. Setting number 2: Limit background apps hidden performance trick. Steps: open developer option, scroll to background process limit, select it most for processes. This reduces RAM usage and improves battery performance. Setting number 3: turn on private DNS secret privacy feature. Steps: go to settings, tap network at internet, open private DNS, select private DNS provider host name. Enter. This blocks trackers and makes browsing more secure. Setting number 4: disable system tracking 2026 privacy must. Steps: go to settings, tap privacy, open ads, enable delete advertising ID, turn on limit ad personalization. This stops apps from tracking your behavior secretly. Setting number 5: battery protection mode hidden battery saver. Steps: open settings, go to battery, tap charging protection, enable charge limit to 85% if available. This protects your battery health and increase lifespan. Setting number 6: one hand mood secret productivity hacks. Steps: open settings, go to system navigation, enable one hand mode, use swipe gesture to activate, perfect for big phones and faster daily use. Setting number 7: air permission reset security game changer. Steps: go to setting, tap privacy, open permission manager, enable auto reset permission for unused apps. Apps you don't use lose access automatically, pure security. Disable apps you don't use it, save battery data and improve speed. These secret Android settings can change everything in 2026. In this video, help you like, subscribe, and comment Android for more hidden tips. Welcome to JK Future Tech. Thanks for watching our video.